We still have time, I guess. Okay, there's a guy. Finally, I'm waiting. When from that window someone is going to ask me
about addiction.
Addiction.
Of mobile and
okay, addiction of mobile and this one, right? Yeah.
Let's cut it off after this answer.
Let's
stop it.
Okay, okay, fine.
Time is over.
Okay, so I'm just going to answer that, and then we are short of time, right? So I'll just stop after that. So anyways, you can always, if you have any personal doubt, you can always communicate me on social media. Okay, I'm on social media. If you want to take my name, you can take it. It's Deek Parassini, DEEK space Parassini, DEEK, or someone can write down and you can take it from others, right? Because I don't know why actually my name is Dikshit. Okay, now if I say Dikshit Parassini is more complicated spelling, right? Because my Dikshit is DEKSHITHPARASSINI. People will take it ages and sure one mistake will happen. So that's why my name is Deek, DEEK Parassini, PARASSINI, right? I'm on Instagram, Facebook, social media, wherever it is. If you have any doubts, you can ask. Only I will respond, not my team. So I'm back to the addiction. So always remember something. It's not the addiction of mobile, right? It is basically an app or a game, because most of the people will say that I'm addicted to mobile, right? Your teachers have mobile, I have mobile, your parents have mobile, they are not addicted, right? So it's not the mobile, it is the app or it is something within that. Now next thing, you will step into social media, right, which is your addiction. So let me talk about Facebook first, right? That's the main thing everyone is into, right? Facebook, how to get out of that? Okay. Point number one, Facebook is one of the most positive thing which ever in this world, right? Most of the people say it's negative, but I'm a guy who will find out positive in everything, right? What is in this world. So Facebook, if you really look at it, if you have the power to follow people and like people and unlike people, right? You are all into the homeopathic industry or on that field. Does it make any difference if you like Ranbir Kapoor's page? No, right? But we follow Ranbir Kapoor, what is happening, what his new movies, all that. So what has happened is your time and effort is going, you know why celebrities are celebrities? Because they use your growth energy to grow. Because your mind is so focused on something that they will grow, right? So it depends on if you want to focus yourself or Ranbir Kapoor, right? Now Ranbir Kapoor comes, he'll come and hit me. What, you're killing my fan following, right? So what you have to understand is, like the people who you really make a difference in your life. For example, who are the best homeopathic doctors available in this world? Follow them. Which are the colleges which you're going to go further? Follow them. Which are the doctors who you think made a difference in this world? Follow them. So that the feed gets filtered to what you want to see, than Ranbir Kapoor, who is completely in the Bollywood industry, right? That is point number one. Second thing is, filter the information which you get, right? Today morning I said the same thing. If you have, in Facebook you have this thing, a good story and suddenly a horror ghost comes. Did you come across that? Okay. So what do you do? When first thing comes, I got scared, share. All my friends have to get scared, right? So what you're doing is, indirectly you are being a cause of sharing fear around all your friends and your community. So don't you think more fear is going to come back to you? It's going to come. So Facebook is all in your control. Not Facebook guy is not making, it goes this way. So you have the control to share what is good. You have the control to share what is bad. So that is good and bad. I'm telling how to leave your addiction, because when you start using Facebook for the good things, addiction will go, right? Second thing is, follow and share what is true, right? The other thing is, have you seen the toothpaste thing? If you have black toothpaste, it is chemicals. If you have green, it is herbal. Have you come across that? How many of you believe it's true? It's fake or true? True? Fake? Okay. Or if it's, you know why it's fake? You don't know why it's fake? Okay. What happens is, it's a scientific thing. This bar is kept on the tube so that the electronic machine knows when to cut the tube. So you have this whole tube, long tube. It has a black tag. So when the black tag comes, it cuts. When the black tag comes, it comes. Really cool, right? You never knew it happened, right? So that's what. So whatever information you get which is fake, which you think suspicious, research about it, find if it's true or not, and then share. If you don't know, stop. Let that message stop from you. Because the more you share fake things, don't you think fake people are going to come into your life? See that. So if you say everything what I do good, return is going to come. If you spend fake things, don't you think fake people also will come into your life? So who's causing fake people to come into your life? You yourself, right? So that's point number 2. And the last thing is following your friends. Okay, whichever friends shares all the crazy stuff, unfollow, don't unfriend. Unfriend is a big political issue. You know, you unfriended me and how dare you unfriend, right? So just unfollow the people, right? And the other addiction is you tend to relate your life with your friends. Oh, my friend went to Bombay, had a great time, right? My parents can't do that. You feel the jealousy thing. Unfollow all those friends. Because I'll tell you what, I think 60 to 50% of all the photos are fake smiles. Literally. All the photo, all the girl and boy who's smiling like that, it's all mostly fake. Because I've talked to so many people, really great smile, really great profile, completely having a bad time with their parents. Right? In picnic photo, they'll have all smile photo. In picnic, they're fighting. So when you compare yourself, make sure you compare with people who is logical, and unfollow people who you're feeling jealous about. So that time automatically addiction will drop. Because the main addiction on Facebook is mainly you're curious to know what others are doing. That's the only issue with Facebook. It makes you curious about what he's doing next, what they're doing. But then if you focus and filter your feed based on the colleges or based on homeopathic or whatever you take, that way you will understand much more better, and then the feeds get purified, your addiction will go. Did I answer your question? Okay.